Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about HTML styles. So the HTML style attribute is used to add style to an element. So we can change the font color or the background color, or even we can change the font size and much more using the style attribute. So we use the style attribute in the opening tag. So inside the opening tag we use the style attribute, and inside the double quotation we have the property colon and then the value. So the property can be any CSS property and the value can be any CSS value. Like an example, we can change the font color of the h1 tag, so we have to use the CSS property as color, and the value can be any color like red. So we have set the font color of the h1 tag to red using the CSS style attribute. Similarly, also we can change the background color of the h1 tag. So we have to write background color and we can set any color like red. So we have set the background color of the h1 tag, and also we can set the background color of the whole page. In that case we have to use the style attribute in the opening body tag. So we are gonna write style and then we're gonna use the property as background color, and the value is going to be the color like light blue, and this way we can set the background color of the web page. And also we can use the CSS property and we can set the font family of one tag. So we can write font family, which is the property, and the value can be any font family like Verdana, or we can use the font family as monospace. And also we can use the CSS property and we can change the text size. So we have to write the CSS property as font size, and the value can be like 20 pixel. So this way we can use the CSS font size property and we can set the font size of the h1 tag. And also we can set the horizontal text alignment. So we have to use the text align property, and the value can be center, left, right, or any other value. So I'm gonna use center, and this way we can set the text alignment of the h1 tag in the center of the web page. So this is the way we can use the style attribute, and we can add style to an element using the CSS property and the CSS value. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.